Looking for the best portable jump starters in 2026? A dead car battery can happen anytime, but the right jump starter can get you back on the road in minutes. In today's video, we're counting down the top portable jump starters you can buy right now for power, reliability, and peace of mind. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. NOCO Boost Max GB250. The NOCO Boost Max series is a powerful lithium jump starter designed to provide up to 5,250 amps for starting both gas and diesel engines up to 16 liters, making it ideal for commercial and industrial use. It features ultra-safe technology, which includes patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, ensuring safe and error-free connections to any 12V battery, a feature trusted by professionals globally. This commercial-grade power source is capable of starting nearly any engine, including Class 8 trucks, buses, motorhomes, and various types of agricultural and construction equipment with 6, 8, 12, and 16 cylinders. Additionally, the device serves as a portable power bank, offering emergency charging for smartphones and tablets, and can be fully recharged in just 4 hours using the included 56W power adapter. With dimensions of 19.49 inch D x 14.17 W x 9.8 H, it is suitable for a wide range of vehicles including lawn mowers, motorcycles, passenger cars, RVs, tractors, trucks, UTVs, vans, and watercraft. Number 2. NOCO Boost. The NOCO Boost GB40 is a powerful and portable jump starter designed to provide a reliable boost for vehicles with 6.0L gas engines and 3.0L diesel engines. With an impressive 1000A output, this ultra-safe jump starter features a 12V lithium battery booster pack that not only serves as a jump box but also functions as a power bank. It comes equipped with jumper cables, making it an essential tool for any driver. Whether you're facing a dead battery or need to charge your devices on the go, the NOCO Boost GB40 is a versatile solution that ensures you stay powered up and ready for any situation. Number 3. Avapau Jump Starter. The Avapau TM18 is a versatile jump starter and air compressor designed to provide peace of mind during roadside emergencies. This compact device combines a powerful 5,000A car jump starter with a high-performance air compressor, eliminating the need to carry two separate tools. With its ability to deliver a peak current of 5,000A, the TM18 can revive a dead 12V battery in just 3 seconds, making it effective in various weather conditions, including freezing temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. It supports a wide range of vehicles, including passenger cars, SUVs, RVs, ATVs, motorcycles, snowmobiles, and boats with engines up to 8L gas and 8L diesel. The product dimensions are 10 inches in diameter, 4.53 inches in width, and 2.72 inches in height, making it easy to store and access when needed. Ideal for daily commuting and unexpected travel situations, the TM18 ensures that you're never left stranded due to a dead battery or low tire pressure. Number 4. Vantra Power JS3 Real 3250A Jump Starter. The Vantra Power Jump Starter air compressor is a highly efficient device designed for vehicle emergencies, featuring a battery capacity of 24,000 mAh and a real output of 3250A, making it capable of jump-starting any 12V gasoline engine under 8.0 liters. Its compact dimensions of 9.84 inch D x 1.96 W x 4.1 H allow for easy storage and portability. This jump starter stands out in the market due to its 5 unique advantages. It boasts the fastest inflation speed, provides real-time tire pressure display for enhanced safety, includes built-in nozzle storage for organization, features pure copper clamps with serrated grips to prevent sparking or power loss on bumpy roads, and offers nearly double the hose length for convenience in tight spaces. Unlike competitors that often inflate their specifications, Vantra Power delivers honest performance without gimmicks, ensuring reliability and peace of mind for drivers of sedans, SUVs, and high-displacement pickup trucks alike. Number 5. Avapau TJ68 10000A Battery Jump Starter. The Avapau Battery Jump Starter is a powerful and reliable device designed to start 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, and boats, in just 3 seconds. With an impressive peak current of 10,000 A, it utilizes high-quality ternary lithium cells housed in a durable ABS plus PC casing, making it suitable for extreme temperatures. The jump starter is user-friendly, featuring smart clamps and an advanced battery management system, BMS, that incorporates 12 protection layers to prevent issues such as overcurrent, short circuits, and reverse polarity. Its flame-retardant casing ensures additional safety during operation, allowing even first-time users to jumpstart their vehicles with confidence. The device's dual-layer copper teeth and force start button enhance cranking power, effectively reviving completely dead batteries in seconds, providing peace of mind and reliable performance every time. That's our list of the best portable jump starters in 2026. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are in the video description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.